Filling the silence, mastering thinking fillers in English. Hello language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into an exciting aspect of conversational English that can make your speech more natural and fluent, thinking fillers. These are words or phrases we use while we're thinking about what to say next. They fill in the silence and make conversations smoother. So, if you ever wondered how to sound more like a native English speaker, you're in the right place. Thinking fillers are short, non-specific words or phrases that we use to fill the silence when we're trying to think of what to say next. They don't add any specific meaning to our conversation, but they serve a crucial role in the flow of speech. They keep the conversation going without awkward pauses and signal to your listener that you're not finished speaking. You're just taking a moment to gather your thoughts. Common examples include like, you know, among others. Using fillers is all about timing and moderation. You should use them sparingly, and only when you're genuinely thinking about what to say next. For instance, consider the following examples. 1. I really like Italian food. 2. She was taller than I expected. 3. It's sort of like a mixture of rock and jazz. In all these examples, the fillers are used to indicate a pause while the speaker is thinking about the next part of their sentence. However, it's important not to overuse fillers, as they can become a distraction and may make you sound less confident. Fillers, when used correctly, make your English sound more natural and fluent. They help to create a conversational rhythm and convey that you're actively engaged in the conversation, even when you're pausing to think. However, overuse of fillers can disrupt this rhythm and become distracting. Therefore, finding the right balance is key. Start practicing using thinking fillers in your everyday conversations, but always aim for clarity and avoid unnecessary repetition. Congratulations! You've now learned about thinking fillers in English and how to use them to improve your conversational skills. Remember, these are just tools to help you navigate through your conversations smoothly. Practice using them in your English conversations and notice how it adds a natural flow to your speech. As always, keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll continue to improve. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.